Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous wig and how I style it. If you are interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so jumping straight in, I'm actually going to use my QFitt Wig Cap. I will be using the Outre MyTresses gold label in a lace 18, 20, and 22 with a 13x4 lace frontal. To bleach my frontal, I will be using the BW2 bleaching powder with the 40 developer. Step one, I am just going to start the bleaching process of my frontal. So guys, I'm using a plastic bowl with a plastic knife. Now I always eye my powder, so I'm using 2.5 scoops, and I'm going to eye my developer just until it kind of gets in that consistency of like pancake mix. And of course, if you find that your bleaching powder is just a little bit too thick, go ahead and add just a little bit more developer until you get it to the right consistency. Now you don't want to make it too soupy, that way it seeps through the frontal or your closure, so just enough to cover your knots. Alright guys, so now that we have spread out majority of our bleaching powder onto our frontal, we are going to set our timers around 14 to 15 minutes, obviously depending on how big your closure or frontal is. Now this step is totally optional, but I'm going in with my purple shimmer lace shampoo and just a random conditioner just to get out any of that orange grassiness of my closure. And as you can tell very soon, it's kind of close to my flesh color. Alright ladies, so we made it to one of the most important parts. We are customizing our hairline. Now if you're blessed to have a wig or closure or frontal that was already pre-plucked, you are very lucky. But please take your time out by parting and plucking and customizing this hairline as best as possible. Once you're done customizing your hairline, now it's time to try on that frontal to see whether it's way too big or way too small. So pull that hair back. Now I'm just using an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to kind of mark where the top of my ear starts on both sides. That way I know exactly where to start sewing and where to cut. Next, we're going to place our frontal exactly where those same markings are that we made when that frontal was tried on. So this will kind of notify you guys exactly where to start sewing this closure on, and make sure you do not forget about that middle piece right there. So for this middle section, I personally like to start from the middle, sew all the way down on the left hand side, make a knot, and then sew all the way back on the right hand side, if that makes any sense.
I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So I'm going going to start with my 22" of my Outre tresses. Now, since I am gluing this hair, I am basically going to measure this hair around the entire perimeter. I'm going to cut and start gluing. And I'm going to do this process all the way until I get basically to the top of this wig. Alright, beautiful, so we're basically almost done with this wig. So as you get closer to that frontal area, we are now going to be placing those wefts in a horizontal way. That way it's kind of being aligned with that frontal. So next we are going to blow dry, make sure everything is secured, and then cut away all of those extra pieces of that dome cap that we do not need. So ladies, this next part is totally optional, but I like to measure the back of my head from ear to ear and add an elastic band just so I have that more security in the back of my wig. So guys, the wig making portion is finally completed. Sis, we made it. Now it's time to start styling. So I'm going to separate this hair, that way I can begin using my curling wands, and I'm just going to grab like little small pieces, curl those pieces, and work my way all the way to the top of the hair. Alright, beautiful, so this actually wraps up this beautiful look that I have going on. I did go ahead and apply this wig off camera. I am absolutely loving this look. This hair is super duper soft. I've actually been wearing this hair, so this video is just a little bit late and this hair is holding up very, very well. So to finalize this look, I just went ahead and threw in some really cute loose wave curls that I achieved with my wand curler. Like I said before, this hair is super duper long. I went ahead and put the 22", then the 20", and then the 18", and I do have that. I forget how long my this frontal was, but I'll leave all that information down below in the description box. Alright guys, so I'm actually gonna give you guys a close-up on this hairline, just because I had to pluck it I had to pluck the hairline quite a bit. So this is kind of just a little close-up, and with the 13x4 you can achieve like a half up, half down. I'm satisfied with the way it looks right now, so I'm happy with this. Alright, so for all of my beautiful people out there, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and share it with all of your family and friends. Also, like I said before, please feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, any advice, any tips, or any suggestions on wigs that you want me to try out. I will be more than happy to do that for you guys, so please leave that information down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.